Hey, how's it going, Draco Fishing? It is your boy Marshall. I'm here with the main man, the man of the people, Mr. Andrew. And what do you got, Andrew? You got the fly rod?
Yeah.
And what are you throwing out there on the fly rod?
A crawfish.
Oh, you're throwing there you go. Well, guys, so right now we're drifting from winter into spring right now. So hopefully, we're getting a little bit of pressure from the thunderstorm that's coming, right, Andrew?
Yeah.
We've got a thunderstorm that's hitting us. No, Andrew, you mentioned June bug, right? Like kind of black and blue colors.
Yeah.
And I'm gonna throw out, I've got a little Panther Martin spinner right there. Let's do a little close up on, got a little bit of vegetation on it. I gotta clear that, but got the Panther Martin, got a little spinner I'm gonna throw out there right now. We're gonna transition to the Ned rig. But look at this action. That's good?
Yeah, I'm more like I got it.
There you go. But guys, enough talk from us. Let's see if we catch and land some bass, and let's get right to the action. Oh, here we go. Got ourselves a beautiful largemouth bass on the Panther Martin. Ooh, calm down, buddy. Beautiful largemouth bass right there. Little Dinkomania bass, but man, catch, kiss, release, get them right back in the water. Hey, thank you for the catch. Go become a monster bass, all right? Is that a bite? Nope. Another beautiful largemouth bass. Another beautiful largemouth bass. Whew. You can see the red lips. That red from the crawfish that they've been munching on all winter long. All right, guys. Catch, kiss, release, get this beauty right back in the water. Oh, there he goes. Whew. Thank you for the catch, buddy.
Oh, it's 6. That's when the storm goes.
Oh, 6 o'clock?
Yeah.
Oh, all right.
Yeah.
Let's see if I get another one, man. I hooked in this, so I got 2 while I was over here. If you want to try over here where I'm at?
Yeah, I had a
Oh!
bunch of pipes though.
There you go.
Trouble. That's a,
But you see, just throwing the spinner, man.
yeah.
Nice little one, right? Little baby, beautiful.
Yeah.
All right, Andrew. Look like someone had a fire pit going on over here.
Yeah.
All right, thank you for the catch, buddy. Adios. Oh, wrong way. Look at him. He's hiding right there. I'm gonna try to. There we go. Try to spook him out. Here, go out this way. Let me get you out of here. Let's redirect it right there. All right, buddy. Go on. Adios. Become a monster bass. All right, guys, we're gonna go ahead and throw. We got a chunk of sausage, Andrew.
Yep.
Do you want to nibble it before I launch it?
No.
All right, guys, I'm gonna go and launch this bad boy. Let's hope a catfish attacks this chunk of sausage, huh? That's what we want. Want some big fish. Oh, right there. Perfect. All right. What happened? Are you trying to catch a squirrel?
No.
Did you lose your lure?
Yeah.
Oh, no. Here, we could get it back. All right, guys, so now we're throwing out, look at this right here, the June bug, like Andrew was talking about, right? Black and blue colors.
Yeah.
And kind of got it Texas rigged right here. Hopefully we catch a beautiful big fish. Let's go. Oh, dang, I'm stuck in the tree. Dang it. It's like a piñata. Maybe I'm trying to catch a squirrel. Geronimo. Oh. What was it? All those ducks?
Yeah.
You got something, Andrew?
Well, I had something.
Oh, I think I was smacking something. Yeah, look at this. Oh, look at that. Almost weight. A little rig. You can.
Yeah, no, I keep banging the foot in the trees.
Were you trying to catch a squirrel?
No.
You caught a tree fish.
Yeah. Fish.
You're gonna catch something on this next cast.
I doubt it.
Nah, man, have faith. I believe in you. Let's see.
Yeah, this is how far I'm just gonna go.
All right.
I'm trying to get myself soaked. I'll wait till warmer weather.
Yep. You get a bite?
No, it just felt something heavy. Wow.
Oh, you got a fish?
No, I got something. Somebody else's line.
Oh. Oh, it's a catch.
No, look at this, man. God damn, this water's cold. That's it. This water's freaking cold, man. I don't want to get sick tomorrow.
Oh, fish on. There you go, buddy. Whew, last largemouth bass of the day. Storms are coming. We got a beautiful largemouth bass. It's probably the largest of the bunch that I've caught. Good chunker right there. Get this baby right back in the water. Look at that, Andrew.
What? What is it?
Largemouth bass. All right. Catch. Kiss release. Get you right back in the water.